Alright, now on to Act 4. This level starts off pretty quickly. What I like to do is I like to run straight ahead and get the sniper rifle, because I'm a lot better with the sniper rifle than I am with the torque bow. If you like going with the torque bow, it might be easier for you to make a quick left at the very start and take that route. I like to go through the middle here. It gives me a much better shot of this sniper that's down this courtyard in that little building at the very end. He can cause issues if you don't take him out. So the best way to get through this is just snipe everyone you see, obviously. And then as soon as you get shot from the back, you need to just get on the other side of that pillar. There is a second wave of guys that's going to come at you. And they are going to come from the opposite direction of the way that you're facing right now. So yeah, as you saw there, I got shot in the back. And they won't kill you right away because they're pretty far away. But as soon as you get shot from the opposite direction, you need to turn around and start firing in the other direction. Eventually you want to make your way all the way up here. It's going to give you a better height advantage on the other guys, on the second wave of guys that is coming after you. And also when the boomers come after you in a minute or so, it's going to give you, it's going to level the playing field with them. Now that all the guys that were down below are dead, you got two boomers to do. Now, if you have the torque bow for this part, it's pretty simple. But I think the boomers are pretty easy to kill in the first place, so it shouldn't be a big issue.
I need ammo. Don't worry.
Now there's one or two guys left in the balcony. And my teammates took him out.
I'll take that.
And this level is over. I eventually take the left route in a minute. I think the left route is considerably easier than the right route.
Don't mind,
but it's just a matter of preference.
Form up! Control, this is Delta, confirming 1-9 report. First drop zone aborted. We are at East Barricade. I repeat, East Barricade, over.
Copy that, Delta. Be advised, there are survivors at 2-5's crash site.
Then that's our first stop. What's the situation on the ground?
You have two options, Delta. You can take the street, or move through those buildings ahead of you.
We'll take both. Baird, you're with me. Cole, Dom, take the street. We'll cover you.
Will do.